In this video, we'll show you how to use the patient timeline and how it can help you stay connected, organized, and informed as a therapist. Every patient page has a timeline. It's your complete history of that client's journey, all in one place. You can easily scroll back and see when sessions were added, goals were updated, or new therapy areas were introduced. You'll also see when you've assigned therapy exercises and when clients send you feedback, along with your replies. Everything from previous sessions is visible right on the timeline, including notes from your clients and any updates you've made along the way. Want to revisit a past session? Just click on it directly from the timeline. If a client has sent feedback, you can click on their reply to go straight into that specific session. From there, you can respond with new notes, upload videos, or send a message, all linked directly to that session. It's a simple way to stay engaged with your clients, keep your records up to date, and manage your practice with ease.